Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix missing MSVCR100 dll and MSVCR110 dll errors on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering errors stating that MSVCR100 dll or MSVCR110 dll are missing on your Windows 11 system, do not worry. This is a common issue, often related to missing Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. The first step to resolve this is to download the correct redistributable. Open your web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Navigate to the official Microsoft download page. On this page, you will find different versions. Look for the x86 version, which is for 32-bit systems, and the x64 version, which is for 64-bit systems. For most applications that require these DLL files, you will likely need the 64-bit version. Once you have identified the correct version, download the installer. After the download is complete, run the installer. Once the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable is repaired or installed, it is a good practice to run a system file checker scan to ensure your system files are intact. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of all protected system files and replace incorrect versions with correct Microsoft versions. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.